Hey friends, I have several hacks that I want to show you involving a lemon. You may or may not have seen this before. Also, we're going to do something else with these lemons too. In order to squeeze some juice out of a lemon, you can just put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds, depending on the temperature of your lemon. And also to get the juice out, you can use a skewer. You just stick a skewer in one end of the lemon and the juice just flows out, less mess. And by heating it in the microwave, you're going to get more juice. I do it in 10-second intervals. So once I squeeze the juice out of this, you can see how much lemon juice I got the first go round. I put it back in the microwave for another 10 seconds and squeeze more, and I get even more juice out of this lemon. Also, you can just squeeze that lemon right into your bottled water. That's what I've been doing. I have put both of these hacks to the test the last few months because I'm always using lemon in my water, and both of these hacks work great. And you can see how much lemon juice I got out of one lemon. I did squeeze the juice out of all of these lemons. There's 6 of them, and I got a whole jar full of juice, and I will put that in my water, and I might make a dessert out of this too. However, I'm not going to throw away those lemons because I have been wanting to make this all-purpose cleaner, and we're going to do that today. We will need a very large jar, and I have got a pickle jar that I washed thoroughly. We're going to cut those lemons into fourths. At this point, my camera cut off, but we have a pine tree that hangs over onto our property from the neighbors, and I cut a sprig of that pine tree and I put it into the jar with the lemon rinds, and then I poured some white vinegar into the jar. I have seen several people do this, and you're supposed to put it in a dark place for 2 weeks, and then you get a cheesecloth and you strain it through the cheesecloth several times and then put it into a spray bottle. And so we're going to revisit this in a few weeks, and we're going to see if this works. Have any of you tried this all-purpose cleaner yet? If you have, let me know in the comments what you think.